Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today is going to be a little bit different to normal. I'm going to be doing a taste test, so that'll be cool. And it's like a little sit down sort of video, which I haven't done in quite a while, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is, obviously I've tried KitKat, but I've never tried these little Easter egg sort of things, bunny things. So I'm going to try that. I don't have the receipt for any of these because I got them from like little corner shops and things like that are local to me, because I didn't really want to go to the town centre and stuff. So it was quite late and I couldn't really be bothered to do that. So I'm just gonna take a bite. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It was really easy to open. And let's try it. So that's really nice. It's actually just like chocolate inside. It's not, there's like little crunchy bits. It's not like fully a KitKat inside, which is quite interesting. I have my water just so that I can refresh my mouth and stuff, or if there's anything that I really don't like. Right, there we go. So that was really good. And on to the next thing, which is actually also KitKat, and it's this KitKat Chunky, but it's the peanut butter one, and I love peanut butter, and I love the Reese's cups as well, but I've never tried this KitKat, so hopefully it's good. So it's a nice chunky one. It's not the one that's in like the 4 sections. Hallie's just on the bed behind me and she's like making noises and stuff. And it's just like this, big bar. So it's nice and soft to bite into, which is really good, because me with my braces I struggle a bit sometimes and I don't want them to break. So I appreciate that it's nice and soft and stuff. That's really nice. I'm trying not to eat too much of each thing, because I really don't want to be full, because I've got quite a lot of stuff to do. Alright then. So the next thing is these Latta Sticks, and they look pretty cool. It says they're biscuit sticks coated with milk, chocolate and crispy rice. So there's that. And my brother tried this, but I haven't. So I'm going to just try them now. So when it comes out of the box and it's in like this bag, open it up. And then there's quite a lot in there, but it looks like this. It's really nice. So I'm going to rate all these items. So I'll put what I rate them on the screen, probably around here or at the top. so just look out for that. Because I know that if I do it while I'm filming, then I'll just forget to rate it. So I'll just do it when I'm editing at the end. So that's really good. The biscuit's nice and crunchy, but then the chocolate's really nice and stuff. So, alright, so next thing I wanted to try is these Skittles. So obviously I've tried Skittles and I've tried sour Skittles, but these are tropical. And they have the flavours: passion fruit, pineapple, tropical punch, orange and watermelon. So I'm just going to try one of each. So there's purple, yellow, blue, green and pink. There we go. Alright, so the first one I'm going to try the passion fruit. And it's the purple one. That's definitely really nice. That is nice. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I've tried an orange flavour Skittle before, but I'll just try it again. It's nice. Alright, so the blue one, just a nice blue colour, and it's fruit punch. Holly can smell it, and she's like sniffing the air to see what it is. Holly. Alright, let's try this. The fruit punch one then. Oh, that one's really nice. Okay, that one is really nice. So the next one, we're going to try the pink watermelon one. I didn't think I'd like the watermelon one because I normally don't like watermelon flavour sweets and stuff and drinks, but because I think it's too sweet, but this is actually really nice. Alright, and I'm just trying the last one, the pineapple one, the yellow one. And the pineapple one doesn't really have a taste, but that might just be because all the other ones are really sweet. I'm going to try another pineapple one, because I think it's because I had the other ones in my mouth. Or I can taste it a little bit, but it's not really that strong. So, still nice though. Okay, and then the next thing, I bought it as a pack of 6, but my brother's had the 5 for school because obviously he has 1 per day through the week. So, and then his was just the last one, so I thought I'd pick it up and try it. It's the MMs Cake bar, and it is in a pack of 6. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to. So it's just like that, like a roll. That is really nice. There's like chocolate cake here, and then at the top there's like cream with little bits of M&Ms in them. And they're like really nice and crispy and crunchy. It's like the outside of the M&Ms. Hi, Mia. Here's Holly. Oh no. She's eating all the chocolate that I've just started to eat. She's sniffing around all the wrappers and stuff. You can't have sweeties, Holly. She's staring at me. She wants me to get it. So, okay, so these, I wanted to try them so much for so long. So they're obviously they're Galaxy, as you can see there. And I love Galaxy chocolate, so I'm really excited for these. So I really hope they're nice because they look nice. And I think they're going to look really cute as well. So let's have a look. So here is just one. And it's like, you can't see it as much on the camera, but it's like rose gold. It's really pretty. And then I'll bite it in half so I can show you what's inside. So it's like just chocolate, but then it says there's crunchy caramel inside. And there is, so it's really nice. You can see on this picture here, it's crunchy caramel. And I didn't actually know that, I thought it was just chocolate. So that's quite cool to know. It's like a nice little twist kind of thing to it. So that's actually really good. And she's dropping all the crumbs up. She's eating all the crumbs I've dropped. Alright, so I want to try this. So I've tried the normal orange chocolate orange, like in the orange type of shape. And it's really nice. So I haven't tried the bar, but I feel like it'll taste the same. But it's actually my favourite chocolate bar, so I thought why not have it and like promote it or whatever, because I love it. It's like the best chocolate ever. So it comes in this bar like this, and it's really cool. And then I'm just going to snap it. It comes in a little segment. So it's really nice. It's the same as if you would have a normal one. It's really nice again. Everything's been really nice so far. No, honey. No, silly. So the next thing is this. You sat on the sweeties. So the next one is this Haribo Squidlets, and there's a few flavours. So again, I'll try one of each because I've never seen these before. So there's raspberry, cherry, strawberry, apple, vanilla and cola. Normally with Haribos and stuff, I don't actually like the cola flavour. So I think I'm going to try that one first. So here's the cola one. It's not too bad, it doesn't really have a taste to it. Oh, it does. Once you've had water, because I need to wash my mouth out a bit. It's quite sour. And I think it's quite cute. I don't know if the camera will pick up, but it has like faces on it. You can't see it on the camera though, which is, oh, there we go. It's a bit annoying, but. So this is the white one with vanilla. I need to stop again. That's really nice. So now I'm going to try the apple one. Now the pink one, strawberry. Pink. They're all pretty good to be fair. The strawberry one doesn't really taste that strong, but apart from that, they're all really nice. Now we're going to try the purple cherry one. It looks white on the camera a little bit. It's quite a dark purple. I think that was my favourite one, the cherry. Now let's try the raspberry one, which is the last one. I think the raspberry was my favourite one in the end. Okay, so that was actually like the last one. The last thing. But we've got one more. So there's this. And it's actually an apple with like chocolate on the outside and stuff. And they were selling it in Tesco. Okay, so the apple is red on the inside. That's nice. Once I've made sure the chocolate's off it, I might give Holly a bit of apple because she actually likes that. I haven't even bit into that apple yet. I'm not actually supposed to have apple with braces on unless it's chopped up, so I hope that my dentist doesn't see this video. I might hold the apple on the stick and hold it up to Holly and see what she does to it. And she's really funny with that type of stuff. She's just right in front of me watching me. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this and make sure that there's no chocolate left on it, and then I'm going to give the remains to Holly. So I'll film me giving her the remains, but I won't film this, if that makes sense. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have this candy apple here. There's a little bit of chocolate on the underneath, but I won't let her get to that bit. So we're going to see what she does with the candy apple. Go on then. What's that? Her tail's wagging. Oh, you can't see it. Her tail's wagging so fast. Ooh, good tail. Go on then. She's going to make such a mess with that, I can already tell. She's licking it. Oh, she's licking the chocolate. Can't have chocolate. You can't have chocolate, baby. Ah, she's jumping all up me. Get it. Get it, Holly. Get it. Her tail. Get it. Oh, what you got? Get it. Oh, if she just bit into it. What is it? She's getting impatient. No, don't have the chocolate. She wants me to give her the chocolate bit. Go on then. Listen to her grunting. She hasn't even put teeth marks in it yet. She's drooling all over the floor. I don't think the camera picked that up, but she just drooled all over the floor. Get it! Get it, Ollie! What'd you do? I've never seen a dog just lick an apple before. Ollie, get it! Get it! She's digging on him. What the hell? Ollie, sit. Get it. Look, she's jumping on it. What is she doing? I'm trying not to let her. Get it. Go on. Get it, Ollie. Get it. Get it. Alright guys, so the sun is coming down a little bit. No. So the sun is coming down a little bit. So I'm just gonna say goodbye to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. Comment down below what I should name this video. Obviously it'll already be named, but what I should name it for next time. And if you love Holly, make sure to comment down below any pink emoji. Just comment any pink emoji down below. And thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, and don't forget to follow me at Instagram, Crystal92, which will be on the screen right here. Bye.